Hi guys, it's me Natasha Howard and I'm doing my persuasive speech on breastfeeding. Now lately there's been a lot of controversy when it comes to breastfeeding. Like, should it be allowed in public? Should you breastfeed covered or uncovered? And should the workplace make accommodations for breastfeeding mothers? But that's just to name a few. Well, I'm here to tell you that not only should breastfeeding be allowed, but it should be encouraged. It is a very natural process. I mean, if this weren't what we were supposed to do, then why in the world would our bodies make milk? I'm here to encourage women and men to keep an open mind to the wonders of breastfeeding, as well as giving you information on the benefits for you and your child, the different uses of breast milk, and I'll be giving you a few pointers on how to breastfeed. Breastfeeding is an experience that can bring a mother and the child closer together. There are many reasons a woman should breastfeed, but let's look at a few of the benefits for your little ones first. Now, at the top of my list, the American Academy of Pediatrics recommended human milk, and I quote, human milk is preferred feeding for all infants, including premature and sick newborns. It is recommended that breastfeeding continues at least 12 months after birth and thereafter as long as mutually desired. Now, breast milk is the perfect nutrients for your child. It's made from you, by you. Well, it's made for you, by you. And it's always ready to use and always at the right temperature. And don't worry, guys, your milk will never be recalled. Breast milk also contains immunities to diseases and aids in development of the immune system in babies. Breast milk lowers the risk of babies developing asthma. Breastfed babies have lower risk of developing recurrent wheezing when they are older, ages 6 or more. Breastfed babies have better speech. Now I know why my kids are chatty Cathys. Now that's just to name a few. I provided a link so that you can learn a little more about the benefits. Now let's talk about the breastfeeding benefits for mom. We're going to start with the big one for me, and that's because it's free. I mean, it's not going to cost you a thing to breastfeed your child. As a little activity, I want you to go into a store and check out the prices of formula. I know in my area, a container of milk is going to cost you about $25, and that's only going to last you about a week. I don't know about you, but free sounds so much better for me. I can afford free, being in school and all. Now, while you're giving out this free milk, you're also burning calories at the same time. Now, that's my kind of workout, where I can just sit there and burn the calories and really don't have to do much. But it's said that women burn about 1,500 calories in one breastfeeding sitting. Now, on a more serious note, breastfeeding reduces the risk of breast cancer. I know that's a tough issue for a lot of women, but think of the fact that you could be cutting down on your risk of breast cancer. Now that you know the benefits of breastfeeding, here are the many different uses of this superfood. Well, breast milk can be used to treat ear infections. Ear infections commonly occur in the age from 6 months to 18 months. And that was said by the University of Maryland's Medical Center. This can be used on infants as well as adults. You just have to drop a few drops in the ear, and within like a few days, it'll be all cleared up. Breast milk also clears up pink eye in a jiffy. Now, if you have any acne or skin disorders, put a little bit of breast milk on your face, and it's a very cost-effective solution. According to the University of California scientists, lauric acid can help treat teenage acne. Now, if you have any skin irritations as burns, itching, or stinging, you can just put a little breast milk on it and it'll take away the sensation. And it acts as a natural disinfectant. Now, I have a few tips for breastfeeding. First of all, it's okay to ask for help. Just because our bodies produce milk naturally doesn't mean that we know what we're doing. So ask for help. Really ask for help. So when you're getting ready to breastfeed your little one, the first thing you need to do is position yourself to make sure you're comfortable, because you don't want to sit there for about 30 minutes and you're uncomfortable. Now, once you get yourself comfortable, you want to position the baby close to you with their hip flexed. And third, you want to support your breast and then latch the baby on. Once you've completed these steps, you'll enjoy the time with your little one. Now, you should feel no pain, but if you do, just gently detach the baby and try again. Now, these steps came from the Lala Leech League. Now I'm going to be showing you a few positions, a few breastfeeding positions. Now this one right here, this is called the cross cradle, and you just hold the baby right across your body. You always want to make sure they're tucked in tight. Now this position right here, this is called the football position. I have to angle my camera a little better. But this is called the football position, and you basically are holding your child just like you're holding the football. Now these were just two positions, but there are so many more. I could actually show you the laying in bed position, but I don't want to lay down on the job. So, thanks for listening, guys, and I strongly encourage you to breastfeed. It's the best thing for you, and it's the best thing for your little one. Have a good night.